student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. You are forgetting always to subscribe my channel. I know most of the teachers and professors are watching my video. You are very intelligent, but I am giving you information. Please motivate me also, which will deposit more iron when 1 Faraday electricity passed in ferrous sulfate and ferric sulfate solution. So here Fe3 positive, when it reacts with 3 mole of electron, it will give 1 mole of Fe iron. 1 mole of iron deposited means 3 Faraday of electricity will deposit 1 mole of Fe3 positive. From 1 mole of Fe3 positive, that is ferric sulfate ions sulfate solution, to deposit 1 mole of Fe, and 1 mole of Fe2 positive, that is 1 mole of FeSO4 solution, will require 2 Faraday of electricity to deposit 1 mole of iron. So this is a simple way. 1 mole require 1 mole of Fe3 positive require 3 mole of electron to deposit 1 mole of Fe. So 1 Faraday required. By 1 Faraday, only 1/3 mole of Fe is deposited. Only 1/3 mole of Fe is deposited. That is 0.33 mole of Fe is deposited. But in case of FeSO4, 1 mole of FeSO4 require 2 Faraday to deposit 1 mole of Fe2 positive ion. So 1 Faraday require how much? Half mole of Fe. Okay, so 0.5 mole of Fe is deposited. So which is having more? This iron sulfate deposited more iron than ferric sulfate ion, right? Because ferrous sulfate more iron deposited, that is 0.5 mole when we are using 1 Faraday electricity. So when same quantity of electricity, that is 1 Faraday electricity, is passed through FeSO4 solution containing FeSO4 and Fe2SO4 whole thrice, we will see that from FeSO4 more iron will be deposited. 0.5 mole of Fe is deposited, and with Fe2SO4 whole thrice there will be 0.33 mole of Fe will be deposited. Clear to you? Because here only 3 Faraday is required for Fe deposition in case of ferric sulfate ion, and here 2 mole of Fe is required to deposit 1 mole of Fe from ferrous sulfate ion. This is very tricky and very easy question. Okay, so it is just similar to elementary math. 2F required deposited 1 mole of Fe, so 1 F deposit half mole. Clear? Here same, 3F required 1 mole, so 1F required 1/3 mole of Fe. So ferrous sulfate deposited more iron by the same quantity of electricity. Thank you.